Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the horn fuse is located on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. So the first thing that you need to do is go pop your hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So we're going to press in on these two tabs and lift the lid open. So there are two fuses, one for the right horn and one for the left horn. The right horn is this 10 amp fuse right here, and the left horn is this 10 amp fuse right here. So they're both 10 amp fuses, your right horn and then your left horn right there. I will have microblade fuses linked down in the description below where you can get them on Amazon if you'd like. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.